Benson, pumasok, mahabol. Benson eh.
Ilang libong taon na ang nakakaraan, isang layunin ang pinagmulan, pinagbuklod-buklod ang isang kabaklaan upang sa mahusay na pagpapakilanlan. Sa layo pa ho ng aming pinanggalingan, sa daming pagsubok ang aming dinanas, narito po kami sa inyong harapan, hindi upang kutyain, laitin o inyong pagtawanan, dahil ngayong gabi, magiging parte po kami ng kasaysayan dito sa barangay ninyong nasasakupan. Batid kong pawang matatalino at edukado, intelihente at profesional ang hurado natin sa gabing ito. Kaya sa mga iilang kandidata, ibigay ho natin ang 100% ng respeto sa ating pagpapakilala. Sapagkat 50% ho ng mga manonood ay pawang kabataan. In tonight's competition, a lot of queens, allow me to be your dark horse. What a glamorous evening, beautiful people. A girl was naked in your eyes, fresh and indeed innocent, sweet 16 years old listener. All the way last from Tondo, Manila, this is Queen Bolong Altamirano. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel of judges, and to all audience tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, your Binibining Pilipinas 2011 Miss Universe, and I am your Miss Universe 2012 first runner-up. Opo, ako nga pang babaeng nagpasikat ng Cobra Walk, ang nag-iisa, walang kaparis at walang kapantay, na si Binibini Janine Tugono. And before I leave this movement against stage, I always believe in a saying that black, oh yes, I'm black, and I'm proud to say to you, because black always been discriminated by white, because when we're the color of black, the first thing who came with our mind is loneliness, dirtiness, and darkness. But always been remembered to the person watching this competition, especially to those persons who discriminate the black, ladies and gentlemen, that the true symbolizing of black is unity and bravery. Therefore, I'm glad and happy that I have a black skin, and I am standing in front of us to represent the color of black. Distinguished panel of judges, the traditional costume that I'm wearing for tonight is one of the most beautiful, prestigious festival here in our country, the Pintadas Festival, all the way from Samar, Leyte, Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9.
Bakas ka kahapon eh.
Let us